What are the macrophages for the brain? Microglia. They're born from the mesoderm, not the neural tube. They patrol the CNS, they phagocytose debris and pathogen, and when they're activated by injury or infection, they release nitric oxide and glutamate, and that kills the invaders, but also harms your neurons. You won't see them on an ESEL stain. Why? Because they don't have the rough endoplasmic reticulum, and that's what an ESEL stain scans for. They fuse to form these multinucleated giant cells, and this makes sense in HIV-associated dementia because HIV wants to infect as many nuclei as possible, and so it's going to create a lot of nuclei inside of one cell. So that makes sense. Multinucleated giant cells form when chronically activated macrophages merge their membranes, and each guy brings their own nucleus to the party. It's like bring your own barbecue, but it's bring your own nucleus, right? This is seen in viral infections like HIV, herpes viruses, Cowdrey inclusion bodies. You'd see also in measles. It's characteristic of your granulomas. And a quick exam fact, you'll see a 36-year-old man with AIDS and progressive memory loss. Brain biopsy shows multinucleated, bing, 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 that's your key, multinucleated cells that are positive for macrophages. It's going to be your microglia. That's how the HIV infects you in the CNS. Other trap answers would be like your astrocytes. Those guys are GFAP positive. That is going to mean on immunostain, the cells will light up for GFAP, and that confirms it's an astrocyte or it has astrocyte-derived tumor association. And the reason why is because GFAP basically is like a way of marking their cytoskeleton for these cells. That's why they're stained that way or positive that way. Oligodendrocytes are fried egg cells. They myelinate but don't fuse into giant cells. Neither do these guys. Okay, well, that's all. I'd love to share some more content about the evolution of this stuff because it is crazy how we evolved over time. I mean, think about how our cells phagocytose, and that was just an old mechanism from a million years ago when we started to eat bacteria. Like, yum, we want those nutrients. And then over time, we evolved that capability and incorporated it into our immune system. The human body is baffling. Next time you see another human being, just be like, whoa, I appreciate the millions of years of evolution that made you.